Well then.
You're watching Text Plus, 44 Cable 12.
Well, that's something you don't see. KPYX just did a weekly. First weekly of the year. I thought they were going to relay that SMW. That just got issued. So they do their weeklies every Tuesday at 6 o'clock sharp. Huh. All right. It was issued 10 minutes ago. And what port is this for? Is this for Southern or Northern Bay? This will barely help. It's for the South Bay, it looks like. It's for like southern counties. It's within immediate boundaries of San Francisco. Huh. All right, bet.
Normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Missoula, Lake and Ravalli. This now grants us the new weather radio warning device. We now send to normal programming.
Test alert. Test alert.
Welcome to 2024 KGGL.
And defensive coordinator Gene Chizik have agreed to part ways. USC receiver Dorian Singer has entered the train.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Minnesota beginning at 1:43 p.m. and ending at 2:43 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This test is from the Minnesota Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. This is only a test, no action required.
And Joshi says they were accompanied by members of a security firm.
They're going to lean on that run game, right? And I look at Philadelphia, and you had the game. What are they offensively? Explain what you would do and what you see with them, because they had that game wrapped up, and all of a sudden they didn't.
Well, I think the big thing is one of the areas that they talked about that's different from last year is getting out to that big lead and then allowing the defense to kind of control the game, let the pass rush get after the quarterback. They were in a perfect situation last week to do that at 21-6 at half.
There goes KQWB. $107.
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of North Dakota beginning at 2:07 p.m. and ending at 3:07 p.m. This is a required monthly test of the North Dakota Emergency Alert System. This concludes the test. No action is necessary.
Different style of football. It's an elevated.
And I gotta wait for WDAY.
Assuming they actually fucking stream.
If at home, but thank you, So. Hey, Michelle, glad you're listening this afternoon to the program. Oh, she knows. Yeah. She was the first one I told. So. Ronnie. I don't know. This weird stuff always seems to happen. Well, it's Vegas, and Ronnie evidently doesn't know the rule. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Yeah, right. Wow. All right, number for the show is 701-293-9000. You're welcome on the program anytime. Jump in on any topic we're talking about. That is a Thor Building studio line. Post frame construction, brag and commercial industry. ThorBuildings.com for the best buildings on the planet. They're there from start to finish for you. You can also email us studio at WDAYRadioNow.com or Tyler's Tree Service.
Really?
The one out here on Mapleton, some guy road rage got us started shooting at vehicles.
Horrible fat incinerator ever to help you get back into shape fast. Absolutely free. Text PREP to 42424. That's PREP to 42424.
Declan Goff here for Underdog Fantasy, the best and easiest way to play fantasy sports. Hey, did your fantasy football season come to an end? Are you still itching to get some picks in here and there? Well, guess what? Our friends at Underdog Fantasy can still help you out. There's plenty of great options in the NFL, cross-sport entries in the NBA or NHL. And when you join with promo code SCORE, S-K-O-R, they'll match your first deposit up to $100. It's a great way to still get some picks in, enjoy some fantasy sports options. You can go download the Underdog Fantasy app in the App Store or Google Play Store.
It's the new year, and everyone is talking about their resolutions. The Canopy Group has a New Year's resolution for you. Last year, over 2,700 Minnesotans conquered their complacency and contacted the Canopy Group for their home and auto insurance needs. 80% of those people had only one agent with one company. No options. The Canopy Group offered them 40 professionals with 16 companies. The Canopy Group's New Year resolution has always been to annually examine every existing Canopy client. Each and every day, the Canopy Group team is reaching out to their client base and moving many clients from one of their 16 companies to a different company that they also
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of Minnesota beginning at 1:43 p.m. and ending at 2:43 p.m. This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This test is from the Minnesota Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. This is only a test, no action required.
Contributors include ECMC Foundation, working to improve higher education, underserved populations through evidence-based innovation. Learn more at ecmcfoundation.org. Support for NPR comes from stations. Other contributors are ECMC
MTPR is supported by Five Valleys Urology in Missoula, offering virtual and in-person care for adults and children for all urological conditions. More info at fivevalleysurology.com.
And that's all of the weeklies for today. Alright, San Diego, do your magic.
Simply by making the switch to Pure Talk, and that means instead of paying Verizon and AT&T and T-Mobile massive amounts of money, well, Pure Talk has unlimited plans starting at only $20 a month, and the best part is you get the same exact, most dependable 5G network as the big carriers, you get the same exact cell towers as the big carriers, and they're not offering deals for $20 a month, I can tell you that. Anyway, it's time to make the switch. They make it fast, simple, and easy. It's a veteran-owned company that you're going to love. Just dial pound 250, say the keyword save now. Do it now. You save 50% off your first month. Anyway, pound 250, keyword save now from our friends at Pure Talk. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
Let's see, are they going to do a monthly? Yes, they will. That 30's going off. I keep forgetting that 910's immediate. Yes, they are. They are immediate.
Father Jim Patel Real Estate Team,
Okay, now cleared off that northbound 67 connector to the west 8.
Bro, what? Did they not include a message?
Did you pull a fucking Imperial? Did they pull a fucking Imperial? I better fucking hope not. Because if I hear a KGB relay with no fucking message, then they fucking pulled a fucking Imperial!
I meant to do that. I give no fucks. Fucking called it! They had no message. Oh my god. Because California does not know how to do jack shit. San Diego, you fucking suck. Just why? I basically called it. Oh my god, why? Yeah, you see this, San Diego? You fucked up. Lord.